Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Starting off with weather headlines for today, a little bit of light rain expected for the far eastern parts of the country, and there's also a possibility for a few thunder showers on the Highveld. We're also taking a closer look at your Freedom Day weather conditions, and for the meantime things are looking mostly dry over the country. We are expecting the coastal areas to be a couple of degrees warmer than what they are today. Let's move ahead to the satellite imagery, and there were a couple of thunder showers late yesterday over parts of the Free State. That even brought a bit of rainfall to Bloemfontein, parts of the southern Free State, and those storms drifted towards Lesotho later on, but they dissipated overnight. Over the rest of the country it was mostly dry. A cold front has made its way up the eastern coastline. We've had a few showers early in the day along the south coast. Those have already cleared, while it's been cloudy to start off Tuesday over KwaZulu-Natal into parts of the Lowveld and some areas in the Eastern Cape, where we have also had some light rain. For the rest of today, it's going to remain cloudy over much of that region. Light rain still in the forecast for KZN, spreading into the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. A few thunder showers around Gauteng as well as into the northwest, as I've already mentioned, and we're expecting things to clear up quite a bit over the Eastern Cape for the rest of today. Sunny and dry weather for the Northern and Western Cape for the remainder of Tuesday. The thunder showers today over the Highveld will be isolated, but they will include Mahikeng, Johannesburg, Pretoria, as well as some parts of western Limpopo. Rain as you head further eastwards, developing over the Lowveld areas mainly into this evening, but for KwaZulu-Natal, the rain is already there and will continue into tonight as well. Only a 20% chance for the western parts of that province, a very low probability. We could still see a little bit of drizzle along the escarpment areas. Winds this afternoon will be very light over the central interior, but we're still experiencing moderate to fresh winds along the east coast, but those will start moderating later on. A look at the temperatures for today, and we see the cooler air that's now pushed in over the eastern parts. 19 degrees is a high for Pietermaritzburg, and even colder than that for some of the mountainous areas over southern KwaZulu-Natal. Cooler air also pushing in over Mpumalanga, but Gauteng is still pleasantly warm, and another hot day in the forecast for the northwest. Johannesburg today, partly cloudy with a possibility for isolated thunder showers, a maximum temperature of 27 degrees. And those thunderstorms will clear out overnight. We're going to see the winds picking up from the east up to about 20 kilometers per hour, and a minimum of 12 degrees has been forecast for tomorrow morning. Your Freedom Day weather conditions expected to be lovely for most of South Africa. Lots of sunshine, although cloudy at first along the eastern escarpment with the possibility for drizzle in the morning. And by Thursday, it's going to be sunny and warm for almost all of the country, but an approaching cold front will start pushing in some rainfall for Cape Town.